Yes, you're most welcome. You've come now to the next part of our videos. I hope you watched the first session that introduces you to cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, and then you got into the space of learning different tools, exchanges, coin aggregators, and I'm still your guide, King Edwin. I'm still here now. We're entering into a little bit of more technical aspects to understand if I'm to be a trader, what path am I supposed to take? Okay. So personally, a bit background about myself, why I'm here talking to you about this topic. It's because I have been a computer scientist, dealt with computers, was enthusiastic about them from 2020, 2021, but got into the deep dive from 2022. And the experience led me to understand how computers work, how computers think. I became a little bit inquisitive. But what really I began doing AI and data science and machine learning, because by then it was already famous and booming. But by the breakthrough of ChatGPT in 2022, AI became a boom. AI became something. And in 2023, that's when I landed on a book by, I think it's called Bernard Marr, one of great writers and great speakers that I follow. He wrote a book about the future of the internet. And in that book, it exposed me to way more things than I thought there was. So I became passionate in understanding this whole topic and this whole space, artificial intelligence. And that's when I got into I started understanding Web3. Like I explained to you, the concept and conceptualization or the initiation of Bitcoin was a technology that was disrupting the financial world. So I had to get into the financial world and understand how financial markets work, even if I had a background of a computer scientist. And that's how my whole journey began. And I'm enthusiastic, by the way, about making sure that this information is democratized to as many people as possible so that they can get a grip and understand and be able to decide what happens to their lives, because there are very many fake things out there. But to he that knows has the liberty to decide how to propagate their path in the way they want to, from the very money that we use, the fiat currencies, they're all fake, like you all know, from when the dollar was removed off the gold standard. Most people's threat is that it is being backed up by just the word, and you know that the US economy is so big and almost everything is backed up by the dollar. Yet the dollar has no real intrinsic value that is connected to the earth that can back it up. But so now these financial markets is a very important aspect for you to understand, for you to harness. So on this channel and in different videos that we shall be producing, we shall be teaching more in the things that regard to financial markets, then in the things that regard to Web3 technology as a technology, and AI as an automation tool that comes in handy. You get the point? In this, you will be learning how to do it yourself, how to learn to automate yourself, how to marry, because finance is one of the biggest mountains of influence. Like literally nothing moves on this earth without money. So you have to understand how money works. You have to understand how finance works, because most of us know only of the fake paper money. We only know of fake money. We don't understand how real money works. So yeah, we shall look at different kinds of traders. For today, we're going to focus on only traders. So in this course, we shall be looking at just different kinds of traders, how they trade, how do they build a system, what do they look at? You allow me go to the next slide. Basically, we shall master how to take perfect trades, how to systemize a trading workflow. Because even if you are to automate it, you have to first understand. One of the things you have to know about AI, AI works so well for people who have domain knowledge. The moment you come to AI and you know your thing so well, AI becomes a very perfect and wonderful tool. That is why I took this approach to ensure that I educate people who want to get into trading. Before they automate any trading, they should first understand what trading is. Trading is bigger than just looking at a chart. It's like saying you want to deal in coffee. You want to become a coffee farmer. It's bigger than just getting a coffee seed and then you take it to the market and then get profit. There are very many things, interconnected things in there, from when the plant falls to the ground and when it comes out, and the coffee farmers can tell you, you can take coffee over like 3 years. to start bringing yield. But even in those 3 years, you tend it, you look after. So everything is like that. Everything in this world is like that. So I want to package this thing even for future traders who want to become future traders. I want to focus more around crypto, but you have to understand the whole ecosystem of what is comprised in what a trader should know and the path they should take. So you must master how perfect trades are taken. You must master a system. You must have a trading system, because when you have a trading system, then you can dream and think about automating. You can only automate a system that has been proven and a system that works. Then you have to prepare, learn how to prepare your system, optimize it, refine it, make it better, Yeah. So, but also in the different kinds of traders, you have to know where you fall. You have to know whether you are a good scalper. You have to know whether you're a good day trader. You have to know whether you're a good swing trader and their differences, or you're just a holder. A scalper is a person who looks for quick profits, small but frequent. I can take 1%, I can take 0.5%, but I won't take it like 10 times in a day. You get the point? A day trader is just someone who takes trades that close over days, maybe 1 or 2 days. A swing trader takes trades that close over weeks. Their aim is to close the trade in the next coming weeks, months, or even years, but not more than 1 or 2 years. At most 1 year, mostly months and weeks. It's holders who tend into years and years and years and years. So you have to understand the metrics, how each of these traders think, and you, if you want to become a trader, where do you lie? So when you draw up your system, you align it with the rules that best suit who you really are. So knowing your style helps you build and focus strategy stronger. So see you in the next coming videos. This is just the intro. I just wanted to let you know on what we're going to be looking at in this package of videos, or in this course. We're going to be looking at trading specifically. So if you want to become a trade enthusiast in the future, stay tuned, understand everything I'm going to share, and note down. That's why I put these things in slide format to show to you here, is for you to take time, pause the video, and note down some of these things. Or come back to the video, because when I just speak, things may pass by your ear. But when you see, they stick more. When you write, they stick even more. You understand more. Okay, see you in our next video. Thank you very much.